Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We are Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Saturday morning, about 10 o'clock. Saturdays are usually an earlier day for us. Our post office closes at 11:30, our local one that we drop off to. So we like to try to get things out the door earlier. Kathy's working on finding out what we got to pull, but so far this morning we've been pulling some. This box here is some stuff that we pulled out to go to our JBF consignment sale. And then I think this blue bin is some stuff that we're just pulling out to get rid of some other way. I think it's adult items. So we'll probably save that for like garage sale or maybe donation, stuff like that. But it looks like you're ready to pull.
Yeah.
All right, so here's Kathy.
All right, so first up, we had two Mercari seals. So BK is a Build-A-Bear. Very glad this sold because it's a Valentine's bear, so
yeah.
Hopefully that gets to them in time. But this sold on Mercari for $10 plus ship, so nothing crazy, but it was a stimulus check challenge item, so I only have about $1 into it, and yeah, happy with that. And then CW. So these were also a stimulus check challenge item. They're just some heeled Croc sandals. They sold for $18 plus ship. That was an offer I accepted. Then I sold on Poshmark a Nightmare Before Christmas mug.
And you'll hear the kids in the background. They both are home from school since it's Saturday.
So this is something I'd bought for myself a few months back, and I've never used it, so I got it at Marshall's. It was only $5.99, and it sold for $25 with discount shipping on Posh. So I make $17.54 out of that. So still about a $10 profit, $11 profit. Then I sold a hat from this basket. I don't remember what the team was. It's a hockey. I think it was St. Louis something or other.
Was it?
But anyways, it sold on eBay for $12.56 plus shipping on that. That was also a bins item, but not from like this challenge that I'm doing. So I only have about $1 into it. It sold for $12.56 plus ship. So all right, and last but not least for this morning, it is Saturday morning, so like normally we'd have more sales if we waited till 3 when we normally do, but
Yeah.
we are not waiting today because I don't want to drive halfway across town to the post office. The boots.
So we had it as top shelf, and we forgot that we put it on that top shelf over there. So
Yeah,
we
running out of
freaked
top
out for a
shelves.
second there, but
So yeah, these are the Sorel boots that came from my bins haul, and they actually sold to a viewer, Beverly. Thank you so much, Beverly. So last night she asked a couple questions. I got her answers. It's always good to answer questions, even though it doesn't always result in a sale. But anyways, this time it did. Thank you so much, Beverly. She bought these Sorel boots for $110 on Posh. So yeah, I'm very excited about that.
thank you so much for the support, Beverly. Sorry it took us a while to get them all listed. I know you were excited from the haul.
I know. I'm slow with stuff like this. Like, I almost didn't even list them when I did because I felt like the pictures were stupid because I couldn't get them. Like, I tried standing them up, but where we take photos, like, they were touching our kitchen cabinets and stuff like.
Yeah.
So, anyways, they are on their way now.
So that's it for what sold. We're going to go ahead and get these packed up, and we'll probably get back with you. All right, guys, we got that stuff all packed up. It's coming up on 11 o'clock or 11:30, and I think we had one more sale, so Kathy's going to pull that real quick.
All right, yeah, we just got an offer on Posh. This North Face jacket. I got this at Once Upon a Child for $10. Someone offered me $25. Well, she offered me $20. I countered back at like $40, and then she countered back at $25. So I just accepted because I'm happy to move it and double my money. So yeah.
So that's going to be it for Saturday's sales. All right, guys. Hey, we're back. It is Sunday afternoon, early afternoon. Kids went down for a nap. We're going to go ahead and get rolling on some of the shipping that goes out tomorrow. It is Sunday. No USPS today. So, yeah, we're going to follow Kathy around, see what's sold.
Hey, guys. So we're starting in BR. Sold this Stitch plush from my Ben's stimulus check challenge. It only sold for $12.56 free ship, and it's going to cost about $4 to ship out. So not huge money, but it's all profit at this point. So happy with that. Box U sold some Crocs. These are just little palm leaf. I don't know what style this is, but I have $3 into those. They sold for $16.76 free ship. Shipping will be about $3.50 on those. Have a hair on my sticky note. All right, box T is some Keen sandals. So these are just some Keen flip-flops. And they sold for $23.90 free shipping. They are under a pound, so shipping will be around $5. And I bought the sandals for $5. Box AE. So these pair of Brooks men's running shoes from the Ben's Stimulus Check Challenge. So they sold for $25, 16 plus shipping on those. So pretty decent little sale. Normally I can get more for Brooks, but those were a little bit rough. Another inbox T. And Converse. So these are, yeah, just some Converse. They sold for $33.56 free ship. Shipping will be right about $10 on these. They cannot fit in a padded flat rate, so I'll check pirate ship and everything, but it's still probably going to be about $10 on those. And I got those from Goodwill for $10, so. Box BI. Some Stride Ride.
I think right below you.
BI. So I just picked these up a couple days ago for $2. They sold for $16.76 free ship. Shipping will be about $3.50 on those. And then top shelf, sold some Vask shoes. I see them here. I know I have a few pairs. I'll make sure I got the right one. These are the right ones. Okay, so I got these at Goodwill for $12.99. They sold for $45 plus shipping. They are just going to Colorado, so shipping's, even though it's like 3 pounds, is only going to be about like $8.
Mm-hmm.
And then box AP.
Over here.
This is just a childhood's night set, which is like what they call their pajamas. And these sold for $40 free shipping. These are my son's. I think I bought them retail, so I paid $50 for them. Both my kids actually have worn these at this point, so I made back $40 minus $5 shipping minus kidism fee, so probably close to $30 back on them. Alright, so that was it for eBay so far. And then we had a couple Mercari sales, so box W. So this mini button Harry Potter shirts, kind of cool. It has like all the different wands, and it just says Harry, Hermione, Ron, Dumbledore, Voldemort. So this was my son's shirt. I bought it straight from Mini Bowden. I don't remember what retail was on it, but I do remember I bought it like when they first released it. I definitely paid full price on that, and it sold for $25 plus shipping. I think retail was probably about $30 or something like that. So making most of my money back. And then box BR. Is this BR? Yeah, Converse. Alright, so these little Converse. I got these from Goodwill for $5. They only sold for $14 plus ship. That was an offer I accepted just because they'd been listed a while. I don't know if it was the color or what, but I'm happy to see them go. And then box BG. Gap but Charlie Brown sweater. And it actually sold for $30 plus shipping. So even though it's just Gap, it's one of those like specialty items that people will pay up for. That I bought for my son. I don't remember. I think I bought it on Kidizen, but I really don't remember what I paid. I know I wouldn't have paid over 20, so positive I'm making my whole money back on that. Alright, and then we had one last sale. It was a bundle sale on Poshmark to a viewer named Tiffany. So Tiffany, thank you so much. I'll go through and pull really quick, but the first one's just here on the table because I hadn't even got it bagged yet. But she saw this in our last Ben's haul video, and she asked if, because I mentioned I was going to take it to the consignment sale, so she asked if I would just list it, so I did. So she got this guy, super cute, and then got this zebra swaddle. This is, I forgot what the brand, I think it was like Swaddle Me, box BH. I love this little jacket so much. This is just the brand Next. It's similar to like Mini Bowden and stuff, but yeah, that's such a cute jacket. AM. This Bumblebee Boy book.
Our boys love that book.
Yes, they did. V. A little North Face fleece.
It's a big bundle.
Yeah, see, oh, I was very thankful. Oh, I love this too. She picked out some good items. You can't really see what it is, but it's like a full romper that has, like, it looks like a real life bear. And it's the brand Pop-Up Shop, so. Alright, AS. And she got this little Bailey Boys, cute little romper. And yeah, so that was it, I think. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 items going to Tiffany. So Tiffany, thank you so much. She didn't even make me an offer. She just bought it outright at my full listing price, which was $132 for that. So thank you so much. I don't even feel like thank you is enough. But
That was it?
yeah, for today.
So thank you so much for the support, Tiffany. So yeah, we had somebody in line wanting to pick up the desk that we have listed, our old desk here. So I pulled all that stuff downstairs and they ghosted me. So now it's just kind of like in our living room. Gonna have to figure out how to move the rest of it out into the garage and all that. But yeah, and then I think Kathy has been, we pulled a bunch of stuff this morning. More stuff to go to like JBF.
Yeah, so like all the stuff that you guys saw yesterday, I actually got that all tagged yesterday.
You want to hold one up and kind of show? I don't think we've shown.
Yeah, just and we'll do a video.
Yeah, we'll do a thorough video on it. But since we're here,
but yeah, I was just tagging all this stuff.
So you got to print up these little tags and tag it on.
So everybody has like a number, like, so it doesn't like say Catherine Marvin on it. It just says, you know, my number,
vendor number, right, kind of thing.
So, anyways, yeah, and then it's all done online at home, and you do like 9 tags per page, print them out. We have a little cutting, whatever that thing is, but yeah, like that's been very helpful for us. We bought
cutting board,
like an auction or something that was a store closed down, and we got that for like $2 or something. So, anyways, otherwise you could just use scissors. But yeah, you got to cut out all the tags yourself. You do got to buy some cardstock paper, so there is a little bit of a cost to it. You got to use your own hangers. Like this hanger is obviously from a department store, which I save all those hangers. Old Navy has given me tons of hangers for free in the past. I think that they would still do that. And then sometimes I just buy the little Target baby hangers, 10 for $1. So
yeah, if you're on your game, you can ask around and you'll be able to get enough free hangers for it.
On the neighborhood pages, people are always offering hangers. But yeah, what was I gonna say about you don't get your hangers back after, so yeah, that's kind of something to think about if you are gonna do it. Like essentially, if I was paying per hanger, bringing 1,000 items, that'd be almost $100 in hangers. Yeah. If I was paying for them, but most of them have been free from some place or another. But yeah, you can sell pretty much anything that's kid related. We've got some books, sidewalk chalk, milk storage bags. These were still new, unopened. And yeah, so this is like right now, you know, we're pulling just stuff from our own stuff. So
stuff
it's just
that's been
random.
listed for a while and hasn't had any.
Right before the sale, I'll go through both my kids' rooms, pull out stuff that we don't need, that's not worth listing online. And, you know, as I'm going to the bins, anything that's cheap, lightweight, I'll throw it in my cart and it'll go here as well. I'll make a couple bucks a piece. So yeah, I think that's like 70 or 80 items I did yesterday. Took maybe 2 hours. And then this is what we pulled this morning. So I'm still ending eBay items every single day. Anything that is like under 10 bucks plus ship, I'm just gonna take to the sale. So I want to get my, I think I said this, just listings back closer to 1,000 instead of like the 1,200. So yeah, and then we just had some random leftover pull-ups and stuff. Well, it looks like I bought these at Goodwill, but that we don't need anymore, so we'll sell those at JBF. That's what we're working on. So
yeah, I had to break out the big printer for printing all those labels, which is a heavy beast. And it's a lot slower than we're so used to this Dymo printer printing super fast. I think she accidentally printed a label on that thing and it took like a minute. So so yeah, that's kind of what we're doing today. Kind of a little bit of a slower day just because it's Sunday, and I think today's the Super Bowl, so
yeah,
we're gonna go head over to
pull on Sundays. But
yeah.
I just wanted to get a jump.
We've been having quite a few sales over the weekends lately, so we're just trying to get to where our Mondays aren't so crazy. Our Mondays are like our busiest day of the week. Both of our kids go to school on Monday. Shipping is usually a big day on Monday. So yeah, we're just trying to get a little bit ahead of the ball, and yeah, so that's kind of what's going on with us, but I think that's going to do it for this video, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.